Hi friends, today I'm showing you this solar security camera, and as you can see this solar security camera can be used anywhere, and it have like dual power. You can use the solar panel or you can use the USB cable. I will show everything step by step, and this have the motion detection, artificial intelligence, all those type of dual audio thing, and we will see all these things step by step. So this is the step that is given for the solar panel. This is the manual that comes with it. This describe everything this camera can do and how to set it up. This is the solar panel. It's a nice solar panel with a micro USB cable that can go inside the camera. This is the micro USB cable for charging without the solar panel. These are the accessory kit for the setting it up. This is the main camera, and this is the holder for the camera. So this is all unboxing stuff that comes inside the box. I'm just showing you the camera itself. It's really heavy duty or heavy quality camera. It's IP67 waterproof camera with all this detail. Now this is the micro USB cable that comes with it, and you can use this micro USB cable to use it indoor where you don't want the solar panel, or if you don't want to use the solar panel, you can use this micro USB cable to get into or powering your camera. So this is a dual band Wi-Fi receptor, and this is the solar panel one. So if you want to use the solar panel, you can just remove this micro USB and replace it with the solar panel one. And this is the rubber thing that you can lock so that there is no water going inside. So it's pretty nice design to cover up the waterproof thing, and then you can put this solar panel outside for the charging. This is the on and off button and the micro SD card slot that you can use. So these are the dual Wi-Fi receptor, and for the up like outdoor you have to use it upside down. So now I'm starting this camera, and you can see the light is on. So I'm right now put it on the USB because I'm in the basement, so not using the solar panel, but I will show you the use. So I on the camera, you can see the automatic movement starting. So these are the QR code for the app, and I will show you the installation of the app. So this is the app used, Vicohome. So once I install, you can see registering the account. So you can look at that sound is coming, yes, and then I will just connect it. So the Wi-Fi is connected. So once it's connected, it will show like this succeeded, and now the camera is in usable mode. So in the setting, like it asks you for some trials or something, like you can set this up, firmware update, and I'm just trying to update the firmware for the camera. So it's all done. You can see it's 99% and the 100% thing. Once it's done, you can see like how this is showing. So I will just go outdoor also and then show you its setup. This I'm just showing you all the features that it shows. So this is the way you set this camera like outside. So just put this hook and this screws will come here to set this up. So this camera will set like this and then rotate, removing the protective covering. And these are the dual band Wi-Fi. You can just go up. Now this is for the solar panel that you need to put all these accessories in. So you can tighten and see like the setting for the solar panel, and the solar panel will then be adjusted accordingly to the sun availability. So you need to screw two things, like one for the solar panel and one for the camera itself, or you can use the solar panel somewhere else, or you can use the micro USB power. So here I put it up, and the corner I'm showing you the app function, like how the app is showing. So this is a solar panel that I attached sideways, or you can use it on the side where there is more sun. So I put it outside where there is more sun and the outside where I can have the big view. So you can see like some of those features here, like see the outside one that I'm showing you along with the camera app, that how the camera is rotating when I'm using this sidewise arrows or the up arrows and down arrows. So you can set it up, you can set a position, and this is how this looks. So it's pretty nice for now, and then it's charging with solar, working with that.